Good morning.
Wait, sorry, I got distracted. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's the plan for today?
We're gonna rig some lines. We went to the spa yesterday for the first time, checked it out, super beautiful, and we already put up the tag lines for 2 lines, a 65 meter and a 195 meter, and we got all our bags packed and we're gonna go rig them and play all day. Hopefully the weather stays nice. Big one.
Big line you would have a problem. You just have to only hope that it's going to be okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
A well-deserved lunch. Did rigging in 4 hours of the 2 lines. Anyway.
It's nice bread.
We have a massive avocado that we have to eat, so.
Yeah, dat was het.
But now there's actually some rain north of us, and you do not really know what to expect, if it's gonna pour down on us or not. What do you think? Are we gonna stay dry?
It's always good to stay a little wet. Keeps things exciting.
I'm more of a rainy day slackliner anyway, so yeah, I'm all up for rain.
You're a rainy day slackliner.
What about you, Ines?
I don't like the rain that much. I'm not a rainy day slackliner, so I hope the sun will come out.
Still alive?
Yeah. Look at the line, it's crazy. Well, the line is holding up good.
Yeah, wij bijna
Tapes holding, yeah.
Tapes are doing good.
Yeah. Almost no rain.
How was it, Pieter?
Yeah, it was pretty good. The line was super heavy because it had just rained.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I've been on this line a lot, but this is not how I experienced it before. It's really different. But I think because of the wind, it was still walkable. If there was no wind, like, yeah, forget it. But because there was like a nice wind from the side, it was still like doable. But I guess like I still had to put so much of a fight, and at some points it was just like too much, you know. So the mind was giving up.
Weren't you scared to go on after the storm?
No, I was stoked. I was only scared to slip in the first part because I was a bit scared that the webbing might be slippery, so I would make some like unexpected fall or anything, but it was good. Didn't happen.
Nice. Oh, congrats. Nice walk.
Good morning. Today would be the second day that we can session the line, but unfortunately it's raining now and the predictions are pretty bad. We can hear thunder all around, you actually see some lightning. We hope that the line is okay and that we can actually still squeeze in a session. We have to go up anyway because we need to debrick today. So yeah, it's in between fun, serious, and maybe even dangerous with the thunder. We don't really know yet what's gonna bring. There's always this danger with lightning that it can hit the line and it can damage the webbing, and yeah, and we're on top of the mountain, we're on one of the highest peaks, so being there while there's lightning around you is not the best spot. So we hope for the best, we hope it's gonna cool down in a bit and we can still go up. Anyway, for now, we'll just drink some coffee.
Are the lines still good, Pieter?
Ines is checking the anchor now, but they look good. Yeah.
We had quite some thunder, huh?
Yeah, there was a big thunderstorm. So yeah, it's always scary after that to like go back out on the line again, which is something I'm not gonna do right now because you can see the weather coming over there. It's not looking too good.
Yep.
But I guess if the line still holds up with this kind of wind, it shouldn't be damaged by any thunder, but maybe we still do like a visual inspection with like binoculars or something.
Well, the short line kind of looks sessionable.
Go for it, dude.
I really want to go on with this wind on the short line, but there's a massive rain cloud coming and we do hear some thunder, so we're not super sure whether this is smart.
Weather?
Weather.
What do you think, Pieter?
I don't know. I think the small line he's able to go off like pretty quickly if we tell him to. But yeah, I mean, is it worth it? Probably not.
What do you think, yo? You gonna go?
I think it's going down now. Now's the moment.
I think it's going down. Yeah, baby! Let's go! Oh! Hold it, hold it! Woo!
that was fucking sick to get on the line with this wind. Were a few small steps for humankind, but some epic steps for Jonas. Serious. It's this thought in your head of like, is the baby gonna snap? Is it gonna snap with every step? And then like, one more step, one more step, one more step. And yeah, I've never felt so alive. But deep inside, you know it's safe enough, but everything inside you screamed like, ah, this is extreme! So that was a lot of fun. I'm happy I went on. And look, I made someone stoked. Pieter is gonna go.
My stoke face.
Very stoked. Ready to get wet.
My socks with it, in case I need them.